Hey friends, welcome to another video. Today I'm checking out the Zeeporte snorkeling mask. And I like swimming, but I can't open, my eyes are really sensitive, so I can't really open them underwater. So I always swam with like a mask on. This comes with a nice little bag here. It's supposed to have like anti-fog coating on the mask. And this, it's got a built-in snorkel in here. Some good packaging here. It's nice and secure. So this one has a lot of nice features. There's a user manual there. And in here, it comes with a earplugs and also a mounting thing that goes on the snorkel there for like GoPros and things like that. A universal like mounting device here. So I guess I can pull that out and show you guys. And here is the snorkel. So what's cool about the snorkel is it features this this ball in here. So when you go underwater, it stops the air. I guess this from coming in, this floats up to the top, the ball inside there, and blocks that so you don't breathing in water. And then when it comes out of there, that ball drops and then allows the air to come in there. So it's a pretty cool design there. As a little. Okay, and here is this one also. I believe this just kind of snaps on there, and you could put your GoPro right on here using the other device, GoPro or other kind of camera. It's kind of a universal attachment here, the 3 that goes on the 2, and then you have the screw there. All right, and then this has this coating there that just pushes on right there. That's definitely secure. And so the straps are lots of big straps here. So this has nice thick straps on the back, super comfortable, and they're not like rubbery. They have like a cloth thing over there. Sometimes, like I've had masks before that had just rubber ones, and they just really rip out your hair. So that's kind of cool. Let's go ahead and try this on. And we'll just slip this on just like this, I think. Does have some little straps here in the back. You can pull it up there and tighten it, so that's cool. But that fits like really nice there. Not sure how well you guys can hear me. This isn't fogging up though. A lot of times that's like the hard part of like sometimes wearing a mask is that it just gets all fogged up. This has like air outlets on the side here. So that's pretty cool there. So that didn't fog up at all. So it has a separation here on the mouth. The eyes are all sealed off from where your mouth is, and then the air goes out through this side here. So pretty cool design. I'm actually kind of stoked to try this out in the river. But you can see like the bottom part here where the mouth was got fogged up a little bit, but that's all separated from where your eyes are, so that doesn't really matter. So I really like this. It's super comfortable. This comes, you can get different sizes on the website. Smaller and larger size. So this is a large or extra large. Yeah, seems like really well designed though. It's clear here on the front, super easy to see, like wide angle too over on the sides, and not fogging up. Yeah, so I'm gonna go kind of maybe do a little bit of testing on this. All right, so here we are at the river, and this actually looks kind of cool, but you can see how the mouth part is all fogged up, but the face part is not fogged up at all. We were actually going to go in and try this out. Might have to use the bathtub because it is just like super cold right now. Yeah, I'm probably about
38 degrees. We got the snow melting and everything, so the river's up really high. But yeah, as far as the mask being pretty cool and be able to a full range of vision on there and be able to see, and that snorkel on top is pretty neat. I'll probably try it out in the bathtub because this is just too cold right now, and there's just not going to be able to get in the water when it's that cold. So yeah, we'll see you soon.